Hey, everyone! Welcome back to Discovery CRM, where we turn your walls into works of art. And today we've got something special for you, 12 amazing two-color combinations to give your space a whole new vibe. Let's dive in. Red and blue themed rooms. First up, we've got red and blue. Picture this, a bold and energetic red paired with a calming blue. It's a striking combo that brings warmth and coolness to any room. Perfect for a lively living space. Green and grey themed rooms. Next, let's explore the charm of green and grey. The freshness of green combined with the neutrality of grey creates a balanced and sophisticated atmosphere. Great for a nature-inspired or modern look. Yellow and white themed rooms. Now, let's talk about the classic elegance of yellow and white. Bright and cheerful yellow, paired with crisp white, opens up your space and brings in a ton of positive vibes. Ideal for kitchens or any space that needs a burst of sunshine. Pink and orange themed rooms. For a soft and serene ambience, consider pink and orange. This sweet and spicy combo adds a playful touch to bedrooms or nurseries. It's like a sunset in your own home. Purple and pink themed rooms. Let's venture into the dreamy world of purple and pink. This combo is all about romance and sophistication. Perfect for creating a cozy and inviting bedroom retreat. Golden and dark green themed rooms. Bring a touch of luxury with golden and dark green. The richness of gold combined with the deep tones of dark green creates a lavish and sophisticated look. Great for a statement wall in your living room. Brown and grey themed rooms. Speaking of sophistication, let's explore brown and grey. This earthy duo adds warmth and depth to your space. A perfect choice for creating a cozy and inviting living room. Quick tips: before you grab those paint cans, remember these quick tips. Sample it, test a small area first to make sure you love the combo. Balance it: if one color is bold, pair it with a more neutral tone. Accessorize: add decor items in similar tones to tie the look together. And there you have it, 12 incredible two-color combinations to ignite your creativity. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more inspiration, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, happy painting! Thank you.